I believe there's so much unrealized potential in the world, but still so many people are selling their lives away to jobs they don't like in exchange for a salary to just keep getting by. And when finally you do finish, you're feeling tired and burnt out and hardly have any time left to focus on the gifts and ideas that you have to share with the world. And as years pass, it becomes a deeply unsatisfying, painful cycle that people get stuck in as they begin to regret not exploring the opportunities they had to live a better life. Luckily, times are changing and there's better ways to earn money without trading away all our precious time. Discovering the world of online business changed everything for me. 2 years ago, I had a good job with a high salary, but I wasn't ever really fulfilled. I found myself struggling to get out of bed in the morning, and I hated working so hard just waiting for the weekend, only to do it all over again when Monday morning came. I hated sitting in hours for traffic with all the other people, miserable, wishing they could be at home with their loved ones or spending the day working on something that was actually meaningful to them. I felt like a small cog trapped in a giant machine. Until one night I was watching a Joe Rogan podcast on YouTube when a video popped up of an Australian guy who was also tired of living like this and how he had decided to make a change. He created his own online business where his websites are selling products for him 24/7, earning him a passive income. So he was able to quit his job and now enjoys a totally new lifestyle. He's now able to support his family without worrying about any financial difficulties. And now he works from home, allowing him to spend the time with them that they truly deserve. So I decided to contact him and he offered to help me get set up myself. He sent me a 3-day workshop series with his mentor Stuart Ross, where he explains a few different online business models that anyone with the right mindset can create from scratch. Like other videos I'd seen for starting online business, I was a little skeptical, but this one felt a bit different. So I decided to check out the video series, and honestly, I'm so glad I did because these videos have changed my life in ways I couldn't imagine. It was just April 2018, only 9 months after watching these videos, that I was able to quit my job. I created an income for myself where I now enjoy time and geographical freedom. Now I spend my time focusing on my health, relationships, personal growth, and working on projects that are actually meaningful to me, no longer worrying about money. So if you're watching this and you want to learn how to start your own online business from scratch, I'm happy to send you the same video series at no cost whatsoever. That's the same way that I got it. I'll put a button somewhere below this video so you can click on that and then just enter your name and email, and I'll send you the same video series directly to your email inbox. If you're someone who's open to learning new things, you're willing to invest some time and effort in order to stop selling time for money and instead work for yourself online, I can strongly recommend you check out the video series. That's what I did, and honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've ever made.